Hello students, good morning and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is the synthetic fibers and plastics. So in previous video already we have discussed about that what are the plastics and what are the types of plastics like thermoplastics or thermosetting plastics already we have discussed in the last video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that some special properties or general properties of plastics. So you know that students, plastics already I have told whenever I told to that regarding about the plastics I told it is more favorable and it is also most useful material for that different making for the different substances. Yes. So let us discuss about that. What are that due to what character or what are the properties it has, and we are going to learn in this video. So see students, some important properties of the plastics are summarized below. There are so many properties are given. So near about 4 properties I have written that you have to discuss one by one. That means due to that properties, nowadays what is that? Now all members are depending upon the plastics. So it is very important things to learn about that what are the properties and why we are using these plastics instead of other materials. So comparatively, if we see that whenever we are making any materials or any articles, instead of metals we are using nowadays what is the plastics, because it is one advantages of properties or advantages due to characteristics we are using in place of metals. So look at here, हम क्या करना है, पढ़ना है, देखना है क्या क्या है एक्स्ट्रा क्वालिटी है और क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है उसमें. इसको इसलिए इतना चाहिए है. देखो भाई, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी प्लास्टिक्स आर नॉन रिएक्टिव. मतलब फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी प्लास्टिक्स आर नॉन रिएक्टिव. नॉन रिएक्टिव मतलब ड्यू टू दैट इट इज देयर इज नो केमिकल रिएक्शन व्हेनेवर you will add, because it is not absorbent of water. Okay, so if suppose you will pour that water or any chemical things or any sugar or any food items, then there is no reaction between that these plastics and with that substances. So there is non-reactive due to that the plastic having that one special characteristics. It has no reactive. That means non-reactive. Okay, non-reactive means whenever other metal with or especially it has no capable to absorb the water. So it is a synthetic fibers and it was made from the synthetic fibers. So hence it cannot be absorbed. That means it is what is that? It has the special characteristics. Okay, so due to that we are using and we are storing that so many food items. Okay, and in special also chemicals and some other items we are storing in this plastics. Okay, second things, plastics are strong, lightweight and durable. So according to our this second properties are given that it is one lightweight and it is also strong and durable. According to our wish, according to our desire, we are making क्या है different types of bottles, different types of chairs, different whatever our desire, which one we are feeling like that way also we can make. You have seen that nowadays in the market different types of chairs are available, different types shapes of bottles are available, different colors which are available. So due to that it has the capable that it has the character of the plastics. Third one, plastics do not show the thermal conductivity. You have to very important things, students. It has a special characteristics of plastics. Due to that you have seen that in kitchen so many utensils like heating span, our electric iron box, there it was handle it was made by that plastics, because it do not allow that heat to pass, or it is little bit very rarely, we say very less heat it will allow to pass. So that's why we are using that plastics in our kitchen items like heating pan handles, or that especially our electrical appliances like iron box handles. So it was made by that what is that plastics. ठीक है. Next friends, plastics do not show that electric conductivity. You have seen that why it is because it is one bad conductor of electricity. It is also bad conductor of heat, because plastic is a bad conductor of electricity as well as what is that heat. So when that plastic will keep that a current cannot pass. So that's why we are using as an insulator. You have seen that one red color plastics insulator that what is covering around that one copper wire, because it is one insulator that current cannot pass. So that's why you have seen that whenever your current your wiring you will do in your house, or whenever that electrician is doing some work, you have seen that the wire is covered with the plastic coating. So because plastic is an insulator of electricity, means it is an insulator, that means the current cannot pass through the plastics. Okay, so it is very important characteristics. So did you understand, students, what are the general properties of plastics? First of all, it do not reaction, means non-reactive. And the second thing, that's why we are covering that fruits items, we are packing that what is that, our bottles, we are making that water bottles, we are making. So different things we are making about by the plastics. And next one, plastics are very lightweight and strong, and that's why we are making that aeroplane frameworks, and we are making the chair, we are making tables, we are making computers, so many hardwares we are making by the plastics. And do not allow that heat and electricity also, because of the bad conductor of heat and bad conductor of electricity. Okay, friends. So now we will discuss about that. What is that plastics and environment? What are the relations? You know the students. Plastics makes harmful for that our environment, because excess using of plastics, it is harmful for us, because it is non-biodegradable. Because whenever that you have seen that whenever you go to that shop and you will bring that some items by using that one bags, carry bags, it was made by that polythene, and this polythene was generally made out of synthetic fibers, which cannot be decomposed by that by air or by water, by or decomposers like bacteria. So it is non-biodegradable. So if whenever it is non-biodegradable, it takes long periods. That means for polythene, suppose if you take that polythene cover के माटी में रखेंगे ना, एक साल तक भी ऐसा ही रह जाएगा. इसलिए तुम जब पॉलिथीन कवर दुकान से लेकर आते हो, शॉप से लेकर आते हो, उसको प्रॉपर से उसको डिस्पोजल करो, नहीं तो वो क्या होता, हार्मफुल हमारे लिए होता, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा इधर बाहर पे रह जाएगा, एनवायरमेंट होता है, एनवायरमेंट तो पोल्यूशन होगा, पेनिट्रेट वाटर पेनिट्रेट नहीं हो सकता, तो ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. व्हाट आर दैट? According to that, biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. Some materials are decomposable and some materials are not decomposable. So those materials are decomposable by air, by naturally, by air, by water, or by the decomposable by that. What is that? Microorganisms. That material are called as biodegradable materials. For example, food items, apples or vegetable peels, or that these things are, or any animal bodies. These are, if you throw outside, so very soon it will decompose by air or by water or by that microorganisms. But some materials those cannot decompose, they cannot degrade, once they decomposed by that air or naturally, by the water or by the bacteria. That material are called as what is that? Non-biodegradable substance, like if you say that on polythene. Polythene or plastics, if you keep in outside and you will keep that some sand or soil, then 100 years after that you will see also that it won't be decomposed. So that materials are called as non-biodegradable materials. So in your around is whatever that decomposed that materials are there or non-decomposable materials are there, that you have to select and you have to make a list. Okay, students, I hope you have understand what are the environment with what are the relations, and what are the biodegradable material and what are the non-biodegradable materials. You have to make a list in your textbook here. You make a chart and you have to find out which one biodegradable and which one non-biodegradable materials. Okay, students, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.